皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step videos, so if you'd like to develop a learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn a verb conjugation. The topic is verb negative, how to change to negative in polite way. If you haven't learned any verbs yet, please check out the other lesson videos. Let's get started. 動詞の否定形を勉強しましょう。動詞 means the verb. 動詞 in Japanese. 否定 means negative. So, let's start to learn the conjugation rule of the verb negative form. So we have learned a few conjugations. So negative is don't or doesn't. In Japanese grammar point, even the topic I or he or she or they, the verb itself does not change. Well, we will change the conjugations. It depends on the tense, but topic just to change the topic. I, 私 or he 彼。So let's look at the example verbs. 話します。話しますの意味わかりますか？話しますはね、to talk or to speak. Then, ます change to ません。So this is a kanji for 話す。Because 話す, the left part we call it ごんべん, something to say. Then right part is a tongue. Tongue is a tongue. Sorry, my English pronunciation. But that's what it consists of. When you learn kanji, sometimes it's good to know the meaning of the parts, how it consists of. 話します change to 話しません。So simply change ますto ません。So repeat after me. 話しません。はい。So that's the ます change to ません。That's the negative. Negative present. Keep in mind. Next, 飲みます。飲みますの意味わかりますか？ Do you know what 飲みます means? 飲みます。Original form is 飲む is a to drink ね。drink something. So 飲みます change to ません。So take off ます、ません。So repeat after me. 飲みません。One more time. 飲みません。次 means next. 来ます。来ます change to 来ません。We have learned 来ます in the verb lesson videos. So this 来ます means to wear. But if it's a different kanji, 来ます can be to come. But this kanji is to wear the top clothes. Because the Japanese to wear, to put on has depending on the top part or bottom part different. So top part is 着ます then 着ませんます just 着ません So repeat after me. 着ません One more time. 着ません Next, 運動します So this is a part of the します verb. So if you noun and します that become the verbs. So, but not everything apply, but mostly you can do that like a type of sports, 勉強します、運動します、スポーツします、散歩します。So you see します pattern. So します itself is to do something. So this means 運動します。Pronunciation is 運動。So this second kanji means movement. So physical exercise. To do the physical exercise, we will say 運動します。Repeat after me. 運動します。Sorry, change to します change to ません。One more time. 運動しません。One more time. 運動しません。So that means I don't or he or depends on the topic. It doesn't do the exercise. じゃあ、例文を見てみましょうね。例文 means example sentences。私はこの本を読みません。So here use a ません。So that means I don't read this book or I will not read this book. So it could be don't or will not or I'm not going to. Let's practice. Repeat after me. 私はこの本を読みません。One more time. 私はこの本を読みません。Next. 私はゲームで遊びません。この意味わかりますか？私はゲームで遊びません。So, 遊びます。change to ません。So, 遊びますの意味は遊びます。Sounds familiar? 遊びます means to play. Play depends on the context. It can be play or hang out, or maybe in the context can be to catch up with my friend. 遊びます。So that means I don't play games. Okay? Repeat after me. 私はゲームで遊びません。One more time. 私はゲームで遊びません。はい。では練習問題ですね。How do you say I normally don't have breakfast in Japanese? 日本語で何ですか？スタート。はい。では答えを確認しましょう。So start with いつも。So if it's obvious, you can drop I part. So you can say drop 私は part. いつも朝ごはんを食べません。So いつも means normally. So you can use 朝ごはん is breakfast. Then 食べません。So we are working on ません negatives. と食べます is to eat. Then change to 食べません。So 食べます。take off ます。replace ません。So that's the grammar point we're working on. Let's practice. Repeat after me. いつも朝ごはんを食べません。はい。じゃあ2番。練習問題に I don't drink alcohol. これは何と言いますか？スタート。はい。では答えを確認しましょう。お酒は飲みません。そう。飲みます。change to ません。So that's how we say repeat after me. お酒は飲みません。One more time. お酒は飲みません。So here use the お酒 is a term for alcohol. But if you just mention sake or 日本酒, that's refer to Japanese sake. Okay? So in this example sentence means the person don't drink. Okay? So alcohol. はい。This time we will practice speaking without relying on text. If you find it yourself stuck and feel free to go back and review the previous sentences where we focused on like looking and reading the grammar points or vocabulary. This exercise will greatly improve your listening and speaking skills. Let's start by repeating after me. 話しません。飲みません。来ません。運動しません。私はこの本を読みません。 私はゲームで遊びません。いつも朝ごはんを食べません。お酒は飲みません。はい。レッスンはここまでです。お疲れ様。So that's it for today's lesson. Well done for your practice. 見てくれてありがとう。Thank you so much for watching. もっと、もしもっと学びたかったら、私のオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to learn, enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have access to all the lesson videos and can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more detail. I will see you in the next video. それではまた次のレッスンでお会いしましょう。さよなら。